I just woke up, and yes, it is what it is. Today, my mom got me this. Cause my mom, she's the best, and she said, and happy birthday, and she gave me this, which was the final present. Red Pale Blue by Maroon 5. We got the side, then we got the bottom, and then we got the other side, and then the top, and then on the back, basically it's that, but it's reversed. Can't believe my mom got me this birthday. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this. All the lyrics. Whoa, Mom. I've been asking for this for my birthday since so long. But look at this. Wait. They don't love you like I do. That's the song, by the way. It's called Maps by Yeah Yeahs. Or whatever it is. Oh my, okay. I'm just trying to put some, yes. So we got this, and the back of it, we got... So basically, we've got lyrics included in that song. We've got basically, it's each song, but when it said wait, I don't know what all the value is. The back of it. Oh, look! It's Adam Levine. How could I know? Oh my... Are you kidding me? And the back... Look. Lunch verse. Who would you... Oh my... Okay, here it is. I'm not judging. Yes, I'm judging. Oh, I did the one thing. And that would be for this. If I do it again... Not be for that. Okay, so we've obviously got the LP. Let me just put these in place. Put these straight up, that's what I meant to say. And then we got the LP. Wait. Oh my god. My mom didn't even notice this, look. Look at that. I mean, from here, you can obviously see it's like that wide, because you can't see it on the box. My mom doesn't even care. I have a lot of counterparts and stuff, and she doesn't even care. So we got that, the side of it. Where is it? Side. And back. Jesus Christ, this gatefold is big. Okay, so we got this. I have a smart idea, I'm going to take these out first. We got, the credits and all that. But Jesus, bloody mess of this. Got an idea. So take them out. Oh my god! I think it was sticky. Oh, there we go. There we go, guys. There we go. And so basically, we have two LPs. We have the A, that's the B side. We have the C side, and then we have obviously the Red Pale Blues. Kind of shiny. So basically, if I was to set this out, I'd probably do it on the floor. If this was a picture, basically, we'd have the back there. Get front. There, it's a work in progress. It's this. Who's that? I'm currently doing something. I'm just doing this, just a second, okay? I'd be quick. No, yeah, I'm just doing something real quick. Come on, get it. That's the way, isn't it? I don't understand. You have to be such a thing, don't you? Okay. Got it, guys, got it. So there you are. There you are. I would get dish, get nothing, and basically hard nuts. For some reason, idiot. I hate this. But I have to deal with it, you know. Okay, so got that. Okay. Oh my, I can't even do this. This isn't really gonna fit. And basically, if I took the fan all the way through the door, I got each individual one. Oh no. Okay. Whoa! Please stop, Emma. I'm sorry for what I've done. Hold on. Guys, it's up. If this does not work, I might have to do move. This isn't genius, how this is stupid. Okay. Currently, they're waiting for me. I know. Like, get this weird feeling where I feel bad moving, but in this case, I just gotta do it. Okay. Turn. This is the whole of my bit. This literally takes the power space. There's a bot. Set. There's two things there. Get it full. Both LPs. That's the credits in that. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 bloody things. 10 cards. Oh my god. All of these. Got to shut him up. Can't let my parents in because if I tell my parents they're in the video, they're going to be annoyed, so I better hurry up with the video. Okay. Okay, yup. What's this? Okay, I'm going to put this back in there and get that in there. That's careful, isn't it? Yeah. This is a so long video, I don't know why that was. It was because I wanted to do this. This was the hardest part to do. So my parents knock at my door, bring my medicine, and take the wall. If you miss God. Imagine this being saying, oh well, we'll take it. I have to do this on the water is in that was the bad. Relax. Gotta go, guys. I gotta go. Would you please just stop? Cause I gotta go.